Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Influitive, which is really nice customer advocacy software. We'll go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about Influitive, and we'll check the pricing as well. So what it is. Influitive is a customer advocacy software assisting in customer marketing, developed specifically for B2B marketers. It makes it very simple for anybody to launch a company advocacy campaign that makes it ideal for both big and small businesses. Influitive can help B2B marketers capture customer enthusiasm and use it to improve marketing and sales efforts. It enables businesses to develop meaningful consumer connections, encouraging loyalty, trust, and collaboration in the quest for innovation. The software simplifies interaction and reporting by providing detailed onboarding and assistance. The content may be distributed via a variety of social media platforms, as well as by email in Influitive. Influitive is the greatest customer advocacy software, and it greatly helps you in developing your business by focusing on your customers. Their advocacy platform and a team of specialists assist the world's most successful firms in igniting any business should utilize it to expand via their most valuable asset, the customer. They offer a free trial version, very interactive customer assistance, and a wide range of premium plan options to opt from. So it's made mainly for bigger enterprises or medium to large businesses, and providing very nice support during the business hours. You don't have to install it into your computer, and you can also run it in your mobile phone and Android as well. So when we check the pricing, we are somewhere around here. Pricing you will find the top of your window in here. Customer advocacy, as you can see, starts at almost $5K a month. This company is located in Toronto, Canada, so everything will be at dollars. You'll get activation and advocacy, personalization and targeting, your loyalty and rewards, pre-built templates and campaigns, analytics and ROI reporting. And digital community, you basically have to go and get a quotation from them. You basically click on contact us, and you either book yourself a demo and basically submit your information, and they'll get back in touch with you, and together you will find the right way to do it. We have all the solutions. We can check on the website what are they targeting by initiative or by use case. We have customer advocacy, customer success, customer community, loyalty, employee advocacy and experience, by use case, reviews and testimonials, amplification, adoptions, and many, many more. With products, we can also pick from various options in here. With platform, advocacy features, community features, integrations, virtual event hub, and security. Integrations are very, very important for companies or for softwares like Influitive. For example, straight away you can see you can integrate it with Salesforce, then Marketo, HubSpot, or Eloqua. Enrolled and recognized customers, Sendoso, Tango Card, also many, many more. And you see Capterra here. We can also check if we can integrate it straight away through Zapier. That would actually make our life way easier. and let's check it out. We have Influitive here. So easily you can set it up to be integrated through Zapier, and the most likely also we can check for automate, and to just go simply to integrations, see all categories, and Influitive is not one of them. So you have to deal with Zapier, but it's the best one so far. So yeah, you are pretty safe. Then also we can check customers and learn about the company. We'll focus on more of Influitive, of some beginner's guide and different videos. Up until then, guys, if you have any questions about Influitive, please leave them under in this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.